Some businesses go to market and receive very little interest. Others attract multiple buyers, competitive offers, and strong valuations. So what makes the difference? Why do some businesses generate significant buyer demand while others struggle to attract attention? The answer usually comes down to several key factors that buyers consistently look for when evaluating acquisition opportunities. One of the most important factors is consistent profitability. Businesses that demonstrate stable earnings over multiple years tend to attract much stronger buyer interest. Predictable cash flow reduces risk for buyers and increases confidence in the long-term value of the company. Another major factor is recurring revenue. Businesses with subscription models, repeat customers, or long-term contracts are often viewed as more valuable because their future revenue is easier to forecast. Buyers prefer companies where revenue does not depend on constantly finding new customers. A strong management team also increases buyer interest. If a business relies entirely on the owner to operate, buyers may see higher risk. But companies with experienced managers and structured operations are easier to transition after the sale. Industry growth potential is another key factor. Businesses operating in growing industries often attract more buyers because the future market opportunity appears larger. Companies positioned in expanding sectors may receive attention from both strategic buyers and financial investors. Finally, clean financial records and operational systems make a major difference. Businesses with organized financial statements, documented processes, and clear reporting are easier for buyers to evaluate during due diligence. When these elements come together, strong profitability, recurring revenue, management stability, growth potential, and clean financials, a business becomes far more attractive in the acquisition market. And when multiple buyers compete for the same business, the seller often gains stronger negotiating power and better deal outcomes. At EIN Business Brokers, we help owners position their companies to attract qualified buyers and create competitive transaction environments. EIN Business Brokers, EINBB. We represent you in business sales and acquisitions. Confidential, structured, executed.